Okay, guys, so we're going to talk on this one about the exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. When we start this out, remember that if I have a triangle, the three interior angles, the angles inside A plus B plus C equal 180. So we start by remembering that it has to equal up to 180. I don't care what the triangle looks like, it will always equal 180. All right. And then we take that to the exterior. The interior and the exterior have to create that straight line. So when I do this one, this is where I say the opposite interior angles equal to the exterior. So this is A plus B equals the exterior angle, not the inside, because A, B, and C make 180. So A, B have to equal up to that because that's that straight line right there. All right, so we'll look at problem 2. You have 38 and 24, and you have x. And x is simply going to equal to 38 plus 24. Okay, so 38 plus 24, we get a 12. 8 and 4 gives me 12. Carry the 1, and that gives me 62. 62. Okay, both this straight line and these three angles make 180, so they will equal to each other. All right, number 4, I have a 79 and x as one of the interiors, and then my exterior is 114. So this one is going to be in equation form. You're going to have 79 plus x equals 114. Opposite interior angles equal to the exterior. One-step equation, 79. Do a little borrowing. 14 minus 9 is 5. And 10 minus 7 is 3. So x equals 35. Okay. I'm going to look at problem 6. 6 is the same as 4. 53. X and 151. So 53 plus x equals 151. Minus that 53. Gone. Borrow. So 11 minus 3 is 8. 14 minus 5 is 9. So I've got 98. Okay. All right. Why don't you get 1, 2, and 3, or 1, 3, and 5, I'm sorry, and make sure they're done. Pause the video and make sure everything between 1 and 6 is done. And then when you come back, we'll start with 8. All right. Problem 8. So this one, exactly the same equation, 80 and 4x plus 4, 80 plus 4x plus 4. They're my two interior angles. They are going to equal 2. I'm going to put my equal sign. My exterior angle is 10x plus 6. All right, solving equations with variables on both sides. First, I got to clean up a little bit because that 4 and 80 are on the same side. I have 4x plus 84 equals 10x plus 6. All right, the 4x is smaller, so I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 4x from both sides. You can do the 10. I'm just going to do the 4 because it's smaller. And now I'm at a two-step. 84 equals 6x. 10x minus 4x is 6x plus 6. That 4x canceled. 10 minus 4 is 6. Two-step equation. 6x plus 6 equals 84. So I'm going to subtract that 6 from both sides. 84 minus 6 is going to be a 78 equals 6x. That's gone. Dividing both by 6. All right, 6 into 7 one time. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down the 1 with the 8, and you've got 18. 6 into 18 is 3 times. So x is equal to 13. Okay, pause your video and do problem 7. All right, I'm on 10. My exterior angle is 15x minus 7. Excuse me. And my interior, 5x plus 3 and 8x. So, excuse me, what I want to do is maybe save some of the work that we had like up here. And I want to go ahead and merge our like terms together while we're looking at them in the interior angles. I have a 5x and an 8x, so that gives me 13x plus 3 equals 15x minus 7. Doesn't save you a whole lot, but it does save some. All right, variables on both sides. Got to get those x's together. I'm going to subtract the 13x, again, only because it's smaller. So now I have 3 equals 2x minus 7. Two-step equation. 2x minus 7 equals 3. So I'm going to add 7 on both sides and divide by that 2, and x is equal to 5. Okay? Pause. Get problem 9 done. And I'm going to go on to 12. Okay, hopefully you did 9. We're just about done. Again, I'm going to merge my like terms on my interior angles. So I have 7x and 4x gives me 11x minus 5, 9x plus 17. Okay, variables on both sides since they're on opposite sides of the equal sign. I'm going to bring my 9x over this way, again, only because it's smaller. So I have 2x minus 5, 17, plus 5. And I have 2x equals 22. Divide by 2. And x equals 11. All right, let's close this up. Make sure that paper is turned in, both assignments turned in today. And then you are working on your Moby Max assignments. Okay, guys.